Welcome to Perfect Home Decor.
Why your transitional home feels almost right and how to fix it. You've done everything right. You researched the style, you chose careful neutrals, you mixed your traditional and contemporary pieces exactly the way the design articles told you to, and yet something is off. Not dramatically, catastrophically off, just persistently, maddeningly almost right. Guests walk in and say, "Oh, this is lovely," but nobody asks who designed it. You look at your living room and feel a vague dissatisfaction you can't name. You keep rearranging the same furniture, swapping the same pillows, adding and removing the same objects, searching for something that keeps not arriving. This experience is so common in transitional interiors specifically that I consider it the defining challenge of the style. And after years of studying what separates transitional spaces that feel genuinely resolved from those permanently stuck in almost right, I can tell you exactly what's causing it. 7 specific, diagnosable reasons your transitional home isn't landing, and 7 precise fixes that will finally close the gap. This is my educational breakdown of the problem most transitional homeowners don't realize has a name, let alone a solution. Your neutrals are fighting each other. Warm Greyger walls beside cool grey upholstery beside yellow-toned wood floors. Each neutral individually reasonable, collectively creating a subtle visual argument the eye can never resolve. In transitional design, all neutrals must share a single undertone temperature. Pick warm or cool and commit across every surface. The almost right feeling this creates when fixed is immediate and dramatic. Your scale relationships are unresolved. A substantial traditional sofa beside a delicate contemporary side table creates a scale relationship so unbalanced the room can never feel settled. In transitional design, scale must be deliberately managed. Substantial pieces balanced by other substantial pieces, lighter elements grouped to create visual weight equivalent to heavier ones. Scale resolution is invisible when done correctly and impossible to ignore when it isn't. You have no deliberate focal point. Transitional rooms that feel almost right often share one invisible problem. Nothing is definitively in charge. No single element has been given permission to lead, so the eye wanders endlessly without landing anywhere satisfying. One deliberate focal point, a piece of art, a fireplace treated architecturally, an oversized mirror, gives the room a center of gravity everything else can organize around. Pause here. If you're already identifying which of these three problems is living in your own transitional space right now, this channel has exactly the deeper design education you've been looking for. Subscribe, hit like, and leave me a comment describing your almost right problem in your own words. I read every single one, and your description might become the subject of an entire future video. 4 more fixes to go. Your traditional and contemporary pieces aren't talking to each other. The most common, almost right problem. Traditional and contemporary elements placed in the same room without a connective thread between them. They coexist without conversing. The fix is identifying one shared characteristic, a leg profile, a material, a finish, and ensuring every piece in the room shares it. This single shared DNA transforms coexistence into cohesion. From an educational design standpoint, this is the foundational transitional principle most homeowners implement last rather than first. You've never finished the room, you've just kept starting it. The final and most honest reason your transitional home feels almost right. You haven't finished it, not because you've run out of money or ideas, but because you've been adding and subtracting rather than committing. Transitional design requires a moment of decision. Declaring the room done, living with it for 30 days without changing anything, and then editing from a position of experience rather than anxiety. In my expert view, this discipline is the single most underrated finishing tool available to any homeowner. Your lighting is working against you. Transitional spaces require lighting that bridges the warmth of traditional design and the clarity of contemporary, and most homeowners get either one or the other. Too warm, and the contemporary elements lose their crispness. Too cool, and the traditional elements lose their comfort. The fix is layered lighting at a consistent, warm, neutral temperature across every source in the room, with one fixture per zone that bridges both design languages visually. You're missing a grounding layer. Almost right transitional rooms frequently float furniture arranged correctly but lacking a grounding element that anchors the composition to the floor plane. A rug of sufficient size and visual weight is almost always the missing grounding layer. The specific almost right symptom, furniture that looks like it could be moved at any moment because nothing is holding it in place. Almost right is not a design failure. It is a design diagnosis. And every diagnosis in this video has a precise actionable fix. Apply them one at a time, commit to each change before making the next, and your transitional home will cross the line from almost to exactly. Drop which problem resonated most in the comments, subscribe for more expert design education, and I'll see you in the next video.